Hey everybody, what's up? What's up? So I'm here with an exciting video for you guys. So I did a poll and asked, what do you guys want first? The review of my ownership experience, or if you wanted a Cybertruck accessories video. You guys said Cybertruck accessories, so here it is today. Let's go check them out. So before I show you guys all the accessories, I'm going to take you guys on a little walk around tour of this beautiful Cybertruck right here. I wrapped it in this beautiful blue color and I added these yellow accents to it. There we go. These are embossed, so it has that nice 3D effect. Plus it's also reflective. Here we go. I have more here. I really love this one. And this is the shop that did it, Omega Windows Tinting, here in Fayetteville, North Carolina. Here we go. Got another one right here. Same thing on this side. And on the back we have one right here, plus right here. And over here we have channel sponsor T-Parts. Go check these guys out. More on that later. So if you guys are in North Carolina and you have a Cybertruck and you want to get it wrapped or you want to get it tinted, make sure to go check out Omega Windows Tinting. They'll take very good care of you. Make sure to tell them Lamar MK sent you and they'll give you that special discount. All right. So it's been raining a lot here, so I'm about to do this video real quick and try to show you guys all the accessories that I have. You know, I like to come with some unique stuff and also share the stuff that I use personally, so it's not just some crazy list of stuff that's not needed. Okay, trying to beat the rain right now. It's been raining for the last few days. Cybertruck is pretty dirty, as you can see. There's no sense to wash it right now because it's about to rain again in a few, so let's get it. So our first accessory is going to be in the bed of the truck right here, so let's open this up and let's open this. There we go. We got a nice bed cover, guys. So here's the original stuff, which is plastic, but I don't want to get it all scratched up and looking nasty, so I decided to add this cover right here to protect it, because this is going to be my forever truck. I'm not getting rid of this truck, so got to take care of it. Looks pretty good. You know, keeps things good. Slide it in, you don't scratch the bed or anything like that. So it comes with more than just this. Let me show you what all it comes with. So if we open the sub trunk right here, you can see we have a same liner down here, same material. So we're not only just protecting the bed of the truck, but we're also protecting the sub trunk. So there is more to it. Let's go ahead and open the frunk and show you. There we go. And there we go, more protection up here in the front. This is what underneath it looks like, and I just added this right here, you know, to completely protect everything. So it comes in a 3-piece set, so you get the front, you get the bed, and you also get the sub trunk. Pretty good stuff. So all the products that I'm showing you now will be linked in the pinned comment and the description below if you want to check them out. So the next accessory is on the side right here. I'm gonna give you guys 2 seconds to figure it out. Figured it out? Okay, let me show you. I added mud guards. These are the official Tesla mud guards right here, and you can see they look very good. It looks like they were installed from the factory. Gives it that nice look. Here we go. This one right there. Gives it a nice look overall. It completes the look. And the funny thing is, look at this. If we go inside the Cybertruck, you can see that they have it here on the screen. You can see the mud guards right there. So they don't come installed on the truck, but it's actually here on the screen. You guys can see it. So when you take delivery of your Cybertruck, it's gonna come like this. You're gonna have this exposed piece right here in the center, and you're not gonna have anything around the lug nuts. So that's how it's gonna look. Let me show you what I did to fix that. Here we go. I added these center cap covers and I added these lug nut covers right here. So that gives it a much better look. Look at that, 10 times better. So when you guys go to buy it, you're gonna have to buy this two. So 2 packs of this, because you're gonna need enough to fit all 4 wheels. So make sure to buy 2 packs of this, and you can buy just 1 pack of this because it already comes in a 4-pack. So Tesla just announced that they're gonna start sending out the new updated wheel covers for the Cybertruck. So you should be getting those if you take delivery of a new Cybertruck. But if you want to have this exposed look where you can see those nice beautiful rims, then I would definitely pick some of these up. And if you guys want to add a different look to the Cybertruck, here's a second option that you can do. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Do you like this one better? Or do you like this one better? Let me know in the comments. Here's the difference. Look at the back and look at the front. If you guys are enjoying this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It's so hot out here, man. Your boy's sweating. So since we're still on the outside of the truck, I can highly recommend this product right here. This is gonna help to break down all that brake dust and road grime, and it actually works pretty good. I'll show you some pictures on the screen right here with some before and after. So to keep my Cybertruck looking nice and clean, this is the pressure washer that I use right here. The last time I checked, it was out of stock. So if it's still out of stock, I'll leave the next best option on the screen that has the most positive reviews for a good price. So I use that pressure washer, and I use this foam cannon right here. Works pretty good. I'll show you a little video on the screen of how I was using it. Alright, so whenever I wash my Cybertruck, guys, this is what I use to dry it, and it's effortless. This is the viral drying cloth from Blackline. Sold over 50,000 on the TikTok shop and sold thousands on Amazon. So I'll leave the link to it in the description below and the pinned comment for you guys to check it out. I'll show you a quick clip on the screen right here and show you how it works. Trust me, guys, you need to get this off the TikTok shop. Let me show you why. Check this out. Put this on here like that. Do this. Look at that. Hey man, that's pretty cool. Dries it super good. Grab it right here on the TikTok shop. If you guys are enjoying this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend, and drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video so far. My goal right here, guys, for this channel is to get it up to 1 million subscribers. I know we can do it, so subscribe and be a part of the movement. All right? Thank you. And if you choose to rotate your tires by yourself on your Cybertruck, you're gonna need one of these impact wrenches right here. It works pretty good. This is what I use to take the tires off my Model Y and rotate the tires on that. So I've had it for a while and it works pretty good. Now let's go check out some accessories for the interior of the Cybertruck. So how are we gonna clean this giant windshield in the Cybertruck? Let me show you. We're gonna use this right here. So for reference, let me show you something. I can't reach all the way down there with just my hand. Look at this. So far. And now we just take this and we can reach all the way down there like that and give that windshield the perfect cleaning that it needs. Man, it feels super good to be sitting inside the Cybertruck right now. I have the perfect AC, but not only that, I have cooled seats, guys. So big plus in this heat here right now, man. So I want to say big shout out to T-Parts. If you guys have a Model S, 3, X, or a Y, make sure to go check them out. You can use my discount code LamarMK and that will save you 10% at checkout. They have a lot of premium Tesla accessories, and pretty soon they'll be releasing their Cybertruck accessories. And on that note, let's check out one of their accessories right here. So this is their phone holder, and I can just put my phone on it like that. Not only that, T-Parts has one of the best looking gaming controllers. Look at this thing. You can use it in your Cybertruck or any other Teslas and it will work. And here we go. Works pretty good. And this is what I use to open my garage door whenever I come home with the Cybertruck. Let me show you where I put it. And this is where I put it. No issues at all. That's like the perfect location So here it is, guys. Omega Windows Tinting in Fayetteville, North Carolina. Go ahead and check them out. They can tint your Cybertruck in under an hour, and believe me when I say that. I've had other people go there with their Cybertrucks and they've had the same wonderful experience. They can also wrap your Cybertruck, so make sure when you go there you tell them Lamar MK sent you, and they'll give you that special discount. Okay, so here's another cool accessory. I added this tray right here, so you can use this as a sunglasses holder or tissue holder or whatever you want to put up there, and just make use of that space right there in the Cybertruck. So the Cybertruck has a lot of interior space, and I love that. But look at this. This space right here is pretty good, but what happens? Stuff rolls around a lot. So let me show you something to solve that. Now I added this tray, and you have different dividers so stuff don't roll around. So look at this. I could put this right here like that, and I could put this right here like that, and stuff is more organized. Pretty cool. Now when it comes to vacuuming my Cybertruck and keeping the interior clean, this is what I use. I use this vacuum set right here from Fantic. Now this is on the TikTok shop, and it's also on Amazon. Quite a few of these accessories that I'm going to show you, I'm going to leave the links to them on the TikTok shop and Amazon. Sometimes they are cheaper on the TikTok shop, so if you want to get it from that route, you can get it, or you could just get them off Amazon. But this right here comes with this attachment right here. You have this, this brush piece, and also this piece right here, plus your USB-C charge it right here. So this is a charge port, this is the on button, turn it on. You can also increase the speed, and it's pretty good. But what I really like about this is this. So these Foundation series floor mats, you can see it has these grooves inside of it, but this is like the perfect fit. Look at this, just fits there like that. So I literally just turn on the vacuum and do this, and it gets everything up. Pretty cool stuff. So I would highly recommend this. And whenever I'm done with it, I just put everything back inside the bag, and I just put it down here like that. And if you guys want a mini size handheld vacuum, this one works pretty good as well. So it will still fit in the grooves right here. Alright, I want you guys to do something for me real quick. Go over here on YouTube to my dad's channel. It's called Gart Adventures, and subscribe to his channel and check out his videos. He's doing a lot of fun adventure videos, plus also doing road trips around America and showing you the different cities and stuff. So go check it out. So next up, guys, here we have some screen protectors, and I can highly recommend these right here. They look pretty good, and I would say go ahead and protect your screens just as how you would protect your smartphone screens. Here it is. This is the screen protector. I'll show you what they look like on the screen. So here's a look at the screen. It looks very good. You can't even tell there's a screen protector on it, and that's the purpose. Protect the screen, but don't interfere with the way it looks. Alright, so here we have the official vault cargo divider from Tesla. So we have this huge bed right here. It's a 6x4 bed, bigger than a lot of your traditional truck beds. So let's say you went to the grocery store and you got a couple cases of water, some snacks, but you don't want to have things just flying all over the bed and rolling up there. That's where this comes into place. Let me show you. So this is what it looks like when you have it installed. You can mount it anywhere you want inside these grooves right here, so further up or closer towards you, however you want. Now it doesn't fit when the liner is inside. Guess it's too much padding for the bed, so I have to take it out in order to get that to fit. So this is how you install it. You pull this up right here, so these things come in, and you just line it up inside the grooves right here. Now once you get it into place, you push this down and it locks it into place. So since the Cybertruck has outlets inside the bed, you can literally watch your movies anywhere. This is a cool projector. I did a video on it, but look at that. You can angle it however you want. So if you're camping or whatever you're doing outside or inside with the Cybertruck, you can have this thing and just watch some movies from the bed of your Cybertruck. It comes with this remote right here as well. I'll show you a video on the screen right here that I did inside my garage, where I plugged it in and I had movies going inside on top of the ceiling. So check it out right here.
He's coming for you with everything.
I'm not sure anymore.
And if you want your own mini Cybertruck to go with your big Cybertruck, you can get that too. I'll leave a link to it in the description. I think I'm gonna wrap it just like the blue Cybertruck right here. So we'll see how that turns out. So something else super handy to keep inside your Cybertruck is going to be a first aid kit. So this one right here is a 100-piece set, and it comes with a lot of different things that you would need in case there's an emergency. So you never know who you might need to help, so keep one inside your Cybertruck. Guys, after wrapping up this video, I literally just remembered this accessory that I didn't show you guys. Man, it's so hot outside. Let's check it out. We have the underseat storage, official Tesla accessory right here. So if we pull this, it releases the seat, and now we can pull up the seat. There we go. And here we have that nice underseat storage, so you can load all your stuff inside this. That way they're not rolling around inside. Let's say you go to the grocery store or something, you could just put your grocery bags in here or something. Yep, pretty cool stuff. Pull this back down, seat goes down, lock it into place. Pretty cool stuff. Something else that I forgot to show is this underseat storage right here, so I could store stuff inside of it like that. Pretty cool. Here it comes in a 2-pack, so you get one for the driver's side and one for the passenger side as well. So stay hydrated, guys. It's too hot outside to not have any water with you. But that makes it to the end of this video. Thanks for staying tuned to the end of it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It's literally all I ask. And yes, you guys can subscribe to the channel for more. And you could be nice and drop a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. So go ahead and share it with a friend, and stay tuned for more awesome Cybertruck content. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.